First fish of the day. Little bluegill. Just got another bluegill here. It's a tiny one. Right now I'm in Wimberley, Texas. There's some people eating on that porch back there at this restaurant, and this creek is right next to it, so I can't talk incredibly too loud because I don't want to mess with anybody's day or anything like that. But I'm just here at the creek fishing. There's another one. Some nice bluegill here. I saw some bass and some carp. Unfortunately, I don't have any bread with me. Else I could catch me a carp. I do have some lures. I don't have too many though. I might do some bass fishing towards the end of my fishing period here. But this creek is really nice. It's very clear. A lot of bikes in this area, not so much down there. Right in that area right there. Damn. Took it pretty fast. And now I got my shorts. Oops. Little chunk like that. There's one. Oh, it's a big one. He's pretty big. Check him out. Another one. Ooh. Sometimes when I go places, they'll do well, or my reviews will do well. There's a review I want to do over this cheap Ozark Trail tackle kit that I got for $6 on clearance. I was going to do a review on that and how I made twice my money off that little container. I see one fish eyeing it. There we go. There we go. Ooh, he's a big one. Hope I'm recording. Yes, I am. It's just a bigger bluegill, I think. Or sunfish, something. So there it is. It's about 6 inches, maybe 5 inches, 5 or 6 inches, 5. Check that out. Cut a bass. Smallmouth. That's pretty neat. Guys, check out this bass. I think it's a smallmouth. Just had a fish drag my line all the way over there and then burrow in its hole. I was only looking at my phone for like 30 seconds texting my mom. But this guy was a good catch. Check out that guy. There's another one. I think I messed up this duck demon. It's not working very well. It's kind of a cool fish. This one right here. Looks a lot different than the other ones I've been catching. So right now I'm gonna go walk along where this bridge is. See if there's any microfish in these this little runoff right here by this bridge. Welcome to Eno's Great Lawn. Enjoy yourself. Huh. That's interesting. So here's a little part right here. I'm not gonna get too close because I don't want to get my shoes all muddy. I just bought these. There are some little fish in there. Go ahead and walk over here. This bridge area is. And I don't want to get too dirty. Oh, this looks interesting right here. I think that's a bat that I just heard. Yeah, I think there's bats right here. That's interesting. I'm gonna stay away from that. I don't much care for bats.